Good morning. The book project is due in 3 weeks. If you've been reading on Fridays, you'll have read enough information that you can complete the requirements for the 1 and 2 sections on the book project. So this is my example I'm going to go over in a moment. And the assignment is posted on Canvas. So the assignment for Tuesday and Wednesday is to complete a book project check-in, which is basically completing your first 2 sections of the book project. And upon completing that and turning it in, it counts as getting up to a 2 on your book project. And so all the information for the book project is linked here. But you're identifying 2 to 4 main characters with a 1 to 2 sentence explanation for each one. Identify 3 examples of significant dialogue and 3 important events in the plot. You can either turn in what you've already started on your book project if you're already that far, this document, or if you want to put this information on the book project template so you can add to it later, you can do that. And all those links for that are right here. So I'm going to go to this link, which is this. And there are just 3 charts for you to input the information needed to get the 1 and 2. So to get the 1, you need to complete 1 of these, and that was an assignment a couple weeks ago. And to get the 2, you need all 3 of these completed. So important characters. Here's my example. Pick 3 characters, well, 2 to 4 characters. You don't have to have pictures, but you can add them if you'd like. And just give a 1 to 2 sentence explanation of who that character is. So I did that for Pony, Johnny, and Dally in The Outsiders. Then when it talks about significant dialogue, that's quotes from the book. So anything that a character says out loud to another character is dialogue. Significant dialogue is anything that's said that propels the action forward some way. So, for example, I already talked about this one in the example, so I'm going to go over, see this one. Soda shrugged. I don't know. It's just, I can't stand to hear you all fight. Sometimes I just have to get out, or it's like I'm the middleman in a tug-of-war and I'm being split in half, you dig? So Soda said this to Derry and Pony at the end of the novel when he was upset about Derry and Pony trying to get him to take sides when they were fighting. So that revealed more about Soda's character and how it also revealed to Derry and Pony how their actions were affecting Soda. And then it also propelled the action because right after that, Soda ran out of the house. And actually, that's right after he ran out of the house. And they had chased him to go find out what was wrong. And as brothers, they became closer because they understood each other better after that conversation. So you want to pick something that's said that either propels the action forward or reveals more about a character. So you need that because to get a 3, you're taking one of these quotes that you identified and then you're talking about how it moves the story forward. So this is my 3 section. And for the dialogue, I picked Leave Her Alone, Dally, which Johnny said to Dally when he was harassing Cherry. And that moved the story forward because Dally stormed off and then that action caused Cherry and Marcia to invite Pony and Johnny to come sit by them, and they developed that friendship, but it's that friendship with them that further drives the action of the story forward because their boyfriends, Bob and Randy, jump Johnny and Pony later that night, which leads to a lot of the drama and action in the novel. And then for the third thing you're identifying is important events. So again, you're picking events that reveal more about the characters or propel the action of the story forward. So it's like the domino effect that we talked about when reading The Outsiders, where one event leads to another event. For example, by Johnny and Pony befriending Cherry and Marcia, They then get jumped by Randy and Bob. And because they get jumped, Johnny gets scared and stabs Bob and he dies. And because of that, then they run away to Windrixville. And so you have this action being propelled forward by their decisions and the events that happen. Because then to get the 3, later you're going to pick one of those events you identified and explain how that event moved the story forward. And I kind of already went over this in my explanation. So this example is available on this assignment page right here, so you can look at it in detail. You're just required to turn in the 1 and 2 section today. And we'll be working on some assignments to help you with the sections 3 and 4 going forward over the next week. Please contact me if you have any questions. And again, you can just submit this part if you want and type all that information here, and that will count.